Welcome back, Pre-K. This week we are talking about different shapes in our classes. So I thought I would read you this story called 10 Black Dots by Donald Cruz. What shape are these black dots? You're right, they are circles. Do they have any corners? No. Do they have any sides? Nope. These are circles. So today's story, you have to use your imagination. Are you ready to go? Here we go. 10 Black Dots by Donald Cruz. What can you do with 10 black dots? What do you think you can do with 10 black dots? Do you know? Let's see what happens in our story. One dot can make a sun or a moon when the day is done. How many dots are here? You're right. 2. 2 dots can make the eyes of a fox or the eyes of keys that open locks. How many dots are here? Good job. 3. 3 dots can make a snowman's face or beads for stringing on a lace. How many dots are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots can make seeds from which flowers grow or the knobs on a radio. How many dots are here? Can you count those? Did you guess 5? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots can make buttons on a coat or the portholes on a boat. Now this page, we're going to add. How many dots are on this page? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. How many dots are on this page? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. This is like our adding problems, our addition problems we've been doing. Let's count how many there are all together. 3 plus 3. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 dots plus 3 dots equals 6 dots. 6 dots can make marbles that you hold. Half are new and the rest are old. How many dots are here? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dots can make the spots on a snake or stones turned up by a garden rake. Here's another addition problem. Are you ready? How many dots are on this page? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many dots are on this page? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add them all together. 4 plus 4. Are you ready? Help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 dots can make the wheels of a train, carrying freight through the sun and the rain. Ooh. Let's do another addition problem. Here we go. Let's count the dots on this page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots on this page. 5 dots plus, how many dots are on this page? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 plus 4. Let's see how many that is altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dots can make toy soldiers standing in rank. Or the pennies in your piggy bank. Whoa, how many dots could there be here? Let's count all of these together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dots can make balloons stuck in a tree. Shake the branch and set them free. Count them. Are there really 10? Now we can begin again, counting dots from 1 to 10. Now I've covered up the numbers over here. Let's see if you can count these dots. How many dots are here? This is an easy one. How many are here? Let's see. Did you count 1? Good job. Now, how many dots are here? Let's see how many there are. What number is this? The number 2. Did you get 2 dots? Good job. Now count these. How many dots do you see here? Let's see how many there are. What number is this? 3. Did you get 3 dots? Let's count the dots here. You ready? You count for me. Let's see. What number is this? The number 4. Did you get 4? Good job. Now count this one for me. I'm going to point and you count. Let's see the number. Did you get the number 5? Good job. Here we go. Now, can you count all of these dots? I'm going to point. Here we go. Let's see. Did you count 6 dots? Good job. Now this one. Are you ready? I'm going to point. You count. Let's see how many there are. The number 7. Did you count 7 dots? Good job. Now count these. Here we go. Let's see. Did you count 8 dots? Good job. Let's count these now. Here we go. Let's see how many there are. The number 9. Did you count 9 dots? Good job. And the last one. Oh, look what I did. I took the paper off. We didn't count them. What number is this? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, guys. Now, I have something that you can do to go along with this book. Remember how I said you have to use your imagination? So, I cut out some dots. And just like this, you can cut out some black dots or you can color some dots. Now, I cut out my black dots and I put them on my picture here. What did I make with my black dots? I made a ladybug. You can make whatever you would like. Cut out some dots, put them on your paper and draw a picture around. You can make a ladybug or different things. And when you're finished, take a picture of what you made and you can send it to me. I'd love to see your drawings with your black dots. Have fun, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.